Hey, my name is Blake. I'm going to do a little walkthrough on how you guys can make some changes to your site. So first what we're going to have to do is log into the backend, and to do that you're just going to go to your URL, and then we'll do /admin. It's going to take you to a login screen. I'm going to log in. If you don't have a login, just let us know and we'll create one for you. Alright, so this is the backend, and this left hand side menu is your main menu here. I'm going to pull up the front end of the site to show you what we can change. So on the home page there's not really much to change here. So first we'll go to condos, and then you can see we just have some text here. So if you want to change or remove any of this text, it's really easy to do. So we're going to go back to the backend, and then right under pages here we're going to click on that. And this is a list of all the pages that are on the site. So you can see our first one here is condos, and we're going to click on edit. Alright, so this right here is a text editor. It's pretty much like Microsoft Word. You can highlight text, and you can bold it if you wanted to, italicize it. We're not going to do that. If you want to change the alignment, you can. But yeah, so if you wanted to, I don't know, change this here, if you want to remove it, obviously you can just delete it, or you want to change the text, you can do that. But once you are finished with updating the site, you need to click this blue update button here. As you can see, all of this text is right here on the front end. That's all that there. So it's pretty straightforward. Alright, so let's go back to pages, and then our next page is contact, and that's going to be the same exact thing. Actually, it's not, because there's no text on here. So all this is just a map, so we don't have to change anything on this page. Let's go to events. Alright, so this is the same. I'll show you. So we'll go back to pages and click on events, and here's your text and your image here, and there you are. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Real quick, if you wanted to change this featured, or this hero image at the top, that is going to be right here on the pages. So if you wanted to change it, you just click on it. I'm sorry, if you wanted to change it, you click remove featured image, and it'll remove it. If you wanted to add a new one, you click set, and then you can choose an image that's already existing in your site, or you can upload a new one from your computer by clicking upload files and then select files. I don't want to change any of that, so I'm going to refresh without updating. Revert to the original. The gallery is a little different. If you wanted to add or remove new images, what you have to do is on the left hand side menu, scroll down to this little camera G photo gallery. We're going to click on that. And then you can click on this edit here, and here are your images. So you can reorder them if you wanted to. You just hover over this little arrow, you can drag and drop and move around. If you want to add a new one, you click add images, and then you would click on upload files, and then you can prompt it to pull from your computer. But yeah, and then once you're done, just click on update there, and that'll add new images here. Let's look at policies. Policies is the same as the condos and events page. It's just a text editor with the text inside. So there you go. So there's all your text. Rates is a table. So it's a little bit different, but it's essentially the same. I'll show you what that looks like. So click on rates. Alright, so you can see there's these little tables here. These are a little bit finicky. They can mess up the formatting pretty easily. So you're not going to be able to add a new row or a column, but you can change the numbers easily, just like that, if you wanted to. Um, but yeah, so yeah, I wouldn't try to add a new row or drag and make that change that, because that's not going to do anything on the front end. But if you want to just change the rates on the daily and the weekly, that's easily done. Or if you want to change these dates, it's also easily done. And then once you're done, just remember to click on update here. I'm gonna just refresh because I don't want to save anything. Reserve, I believe, is not a page that we need to change. Yeah, so this is all information pulled from an API, so we don't have to worry about that. And specials, I'm pretty sure it's just another text editor page. That's what it looks like. Let's just double check. And we can come to specials. Yeah. So this is going to be your text inside the first box and your text inside the second box. So it's pretty straightforward. But that should do it. If you guys have any other questions, just let us know. Thanks.